Welcome everyone. So as you are informed that from tomorrow your online test is going to start, and the first test is of science. The other important thing is that you are provided with one link which is available in your Google Classroom. So you must check that link. It is because you are going to get all the important information from that link. For example, your schedule, your timing of the test, and other important informations which is required for this online test. So you must check that link at least once. I want to discuss with you about syllabus and the pattern of this test. For syllabus, it is given in point B. The portions completed till 20th April will be the syllabus for this test. The students, those who are confused, or the students, those who don't know about the syllabus for chemistry, then for chemistry, chapter 1 completely it is going to come, and from chapter 2 only the topic of indicator will be asked. That means from chapter 1, whatever the topic we have covered, all the topics of chapter 1 will be asked, and from chapter 2 only one topic of indicator will be asked. So it means that in this online test for chemistry, most of the questions it will be asked from chapter 1, and few questions definitely you are also going to get some questions from chapter 2, but very few questions you are going to get from chapter 2, but you should not ignore it also. So you should revise, you should go through each and every topic of chapter 1. You should revise it properly, you should study it nicely, and from chapter 2 also the topic of indicator, although it is easy, but still you should go through at least once. Now let us talk about pattern of this test. So this test, it consists of 20 multiple choice questions. Now you are already familiar with multiple choice questions. Each question here also it consists of four options, and from these four options only one option is correct. Now as this online test it consists of only 20 questions, so the maximum marks is also 20. Now the time limit is very important because time limit is only 25 minutes, but still the time limit, that means this 25 minute is more than sufficient for 20 multiple choice questions. It is because you don't have to write anything, you don't have to explain anything. If you have studied, if you have revised everything properly, then you will be easily able to complete all the questions within this time limit. What you can do, you can make a target that for one question only 1 minute is provided. This is going to help you, as you don't have to rush afterwards, you don't have to rush at the end. So if you will make this as target, then you will be able to complete all questions on time. The other important thing is that you should keep a copy and pen with you, so that it will help you a lot. Suppose if you have to write any chemical formula, if you have to write any chemical equation and then you have to balance it, then for that purpose copy and pen is going to help you a lot, and it will save your time also. If you can see that point E, in that also it is given, but it is given particularly for mathematical problem. But for chemistry also you should keep copy and pen, as this is going to help you. Suppose if you require, then you can use it. If you don't, then it's okay. But you are going to require it, because sometimes if you are feeling any sort of confusion writing chemical equation or chemical formulae, then this is going to help you. So try to prepare well, revise each and every topic properly. And in chapter 1, so many different type of chemical equations we have discussed. Different type of chemical equations also are there under each topic, so you should go through all these points properly. And also chapter 2, it is going to take very few minutes if you have to revise chapter 2, the only the topic of indicator. So try to prepare each and every topic well, don't skip any topic, and try to give the exam properly tomorrow. It is going to help you a lot. And the other important thing is that although this is not a pre-midterm exam, but still not even a single student should skip this online test. It is going to help you a lot. So all students, they must attend this online test. Thank you so much, and all the best.